If you have made it to this video, it simply means that you want to learn PHP. And let me tell you something, you are in the right place. In this video, we are getting started with PHP. What is PHP? The word PHP is an acronym that stands for Personal Homepage Hypertext Preprocessor. As you can see, PHP is a recursive acronym. That is an acronym that contains an acronym. PHP is also a scripting language, a server-side scripting language. Therefore, we use PHP to create web pages. And the most interesting thing is, you don't pay to use PHP. It is free, and we use it all over the globe. You have nothing to fear. At this point, you might think, what do I need to know before I start writing PHP code? Well, you need to have at least a basic knowledge of the following, namely HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. At the same time, you also need some tools for you to write and run your PHP code, if you may. For the sake of this video series, all you need are just 3 tools, since we'll be writing and running the code on your local machine. They are a code editor, a web browser, and a web server. In this video series, we'll be using Notepad++ as our code editor, Google Chrome will be our web browser, and XAMPP our web server. But how do we get each and every one of these tools working fine on our PC? Let's find out in the next video. I want to say thank you very much for watching, and I promise you will enjoy this experience with PHP. See you in the next video.